Hi, I'm Marjan. I design Notion systems that just work. I've built 50 plus of them, a whole ecosystem at createdigitaltools.com. First, HR. Hiring, onboarding, reviews, and equipment all in one hub. A social media command center for agencies, calendar, reporting, and ads. A real estate deal tracker, every property and lead through to close. A full system for construction, projects, costs, labor, materials, and vendors. Project operations, linked databases, AI summaries, and live risk tracking. Plus, a sales CRM, thesis writing, freelance management, and plenty more. And end-to-end AI automation with Make, NA10, Claude, and ChatGPT that runs without you. The result? One system that runs your business, organized and automated. So, buy a ready-made system or let's build yours together. CreateDigitalTools.com